Mama said they was my magic shoes. She said they take me anywhere. Alright, man. You gotta get ready to catch me, man. Alright. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. You gotta just look. Borderline. Hey. Easy, buddy. Easy. You are sweating somehow.
Quit walking so bow-legged, dude.
What's bow-legged, dude? What, I need to pinch her off a little bit or what? Dude, what? I'm pretty coordinated. Don't you think?
Say it one more time.
Huh?
Say it one more time.
What, magic shoes? Mama said it was my magic shoes. She said they take me anywhere. One day I decided to start running.
Damn, you're
Running
born.
across the big state of Alabama. Decided to go on this far, might as well keep on going.